Hi friends, in this video I'm going to be doing your study the word page with you. Word studies are really important. A word study is when we look at the spelling words that we have for the week and we look for spelling patterns, similarities, differences. Yesterday we worked with adding endings. We looked at if it was a vowel with one consonant or if it was a vowel with two consonants. That would change how we added the ending. And so that's one form of word studying. And today we're going to be looking at words in our spelling list. But more specifically, we're going to be looking at how many vowels, how many consonants, and then how many syllables. And remember, the syllables are the beats or the claps that we hear when we say the words. So looking at your worksheet here, it says choose 9 of your words. So you don't have to do all 12 of them. You just pick the 9 that you would like to do today. And we're going to write those words in the boxes. And then it says write a number for the total number of vowels, consonants, and syllables for each word. And then it says see the answer key above. So V is vowels, C is consonants, S is syllables. Okay, so I'm going to just right here on my whiteboard, I'm going to draw one of those boxes and I will do a couple of words with you just to help you realize how you should be doing this. And then once you've got it figured out, I'm confident that you'll be able to do the rest on your own. So in the first box, we'll put how many vowels it has. In the second box, we'll put how many consonants it has. And then in the third box, we'll put how many syllables. And remember, syllables are your beats or your claps, okay? So I'm going to look at the list here and I'm going to choose the word running, okay? So in the box, I'm going to write running. And if you want to write that word right here in your first box there, you can go right ahead and do that. Running is spelled R-U-N-N-I-N-G. Okay, so now I've practiced writing the spelling word running, so that's great because it's putting it in my brain. And now the first thing I'm going to do is look for how many vowels this word running has. Now up here at the top, just to remind you, I will write our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So anytime I see an A, E, I, O, or U, I can count it as a vowel. The rest of the letters then are my consonants. So anytime I see letters that aren't vowels, I know they're consonants. So let's go through first and look for any vowels that we see. Okay, nope. Oh, here's one. So I'm going to put a dot underneath it. N is a consonant, N is a consonant. Oop, I, that's a vowel. Put a dot under it. N is a consonant, and G is a consonant. Okay, so what I've done here is put dots underneath my vowels, and I see that I have a U and an I. That's 1, 2 vowels. So right here for vowels, I will put a number 2. That tells me and anyone that looks at this that the word running has 2 vowels. The next thing I'm going to count are my consonants. So now instead of putting dots on the bottom for my consonants, I'll put the dots on the top. That way I don't get confused. So I know R is a consonant, U is a vowel, N is a consonant, another N, oh, another N, and G. So now don't count your dot on your I. Don't get confused. That's smaller than the dots I'm drawing. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consonants. So now a good way to check and make sure that I've got all the letters, if I have 2 vowels and 5 consonants, in my brain I know that 2 plus 5 equals 7. So that means there should be 7 letters altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so I got them all. 2 vowels and 5 consonants. Now the last step is to figure out how many syllables or beats the word has. So when I say the word running, running, I hear running. I hear 2 beats, okay? So for number of syllables, I'll put 2. There are 2 syllables in the word running. Okay? So now I'm done with my first word in my word study. Okay? I am going to erase my box. You don't have to erase yours because you have 9 boxes to work with in your or on your paper. Okay? So let me just get these erased. I'll erase my 2 and my 5 and my 2 because we're going to get a new word now. And I will do another one with you. Okay? So the next word that I'm going to pick is the word hope. Okay? So let's write the word hope in our second box. H-O-P-E. All right, the first thing I'm looking for are my vowels in the word hope. Remember your vowels, A-E-I-O-U. So let's see. Nope, that's not one. Oop, oh, that's a vowel, so I'll put a dot. P, nope, that's a consonant. Oh, E, there it is. Okay, so I have 1, 2 vowels in the word hope. And now I'll look for my consonants. Remember, those are all the letters that are not vowels, and I'll put those dots on top. So I have an H as a consonant, that's a vowel. P is a consonant, that's a vowel. Okay, looks like I'm done, and I have 1, 2 consonants. So now 2 plus 2 is 4. I should have 4 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. I do. So I know I've gotten all of my letters recorded. And now I have to figure out how many syllables, how many beats when I say the word hope. Hope. I hear 1 beat, hope. So I can put 1. There is 1 syllable in the word hope. Okay? All right, I'll do one more with you, boys and girls, and then you can do the last 6 on your own, because I think after we do one more, you should have the hang of how to do this down pretty good. Okay? So the next word that I'm going to choose is the word mixed. Okay? M-I-X-E-D. Mixed. Okay, let's look for our vowels, A, E, I, O, and U. Nope. Oh, there's an I. Nope. Oh, there's an E. Nope. Okay, I'm at the end of the word, and I see 1, 2 vowels. So I'll put a 2 for my vowels. Let's count up those consonants. There's 1, 2, 3. Remember, don't accidentally count that dot on your I. I have 1, 2, 3 consonants. So 2 plus 3 is 5. There should be 5 letters in my word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are, so I know I got all my letters. Now I just need to figure out how many syllables when I say the word mixed. Okay, it's not mixed or mixed. It's mixed. So I hear 1 beat, mixed. So it's 1 syllable. Okay, boys and girls, I think now you've got an idea of how to do this word study. So go ahead and finish the last 6 problems on your page. And then when you are done, take a picture of it and upload it to Dojo so I can see the awesome work that you do. See you later.